Hi everyone, this is Cheyenne. Welcome to another Rhino tutorial. In this session, we're going to model this vase together step by step. First, start with the Polygon command and draw a hexagon. Make sure to enable the star option in the command line. Then, draw a line at the position you see in the model. Next, select the polygon and choose all the inner control points. Use the scale command, select the center point as the base, and hold tab to lock the direction as shown. Move the points until they meet the vertical line. Once you're done, delete the line. Now, use the orient command with the 2-point method to place the polygon at the positions that you see. Enter the curved boolean command and set delete input to all and combine regions to yes in the options. Select all the polygons and combine them into a single region. From the command options, choose all regions to clean up overlapping areas, and delete any extra lines you don't need. Next, use the array polar command to copy the remaining shape 6 times around the center point. Select all the lines and press Ctrl+J to join them into a single curve. Hold Alt and use the gumball to create 3 vertical copies of the joined shape. Select the middle shape, then use the area centroid command to find its center point. Using this point, scale the middle shape up to make it larger. Now, use the loft command to connect all 3 shapes into a single object. Ensure that the starting points of all 3 shapes align for a proper loft. Once the new object is formed, use the cell curve command to select all curves, then delete them. Finally, apply the twist command to the object, selecting its central axis, and twist it by 90 degrees. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.